The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In a quaint village nestled amid rolling hills, there lived a mischievous shepherd boy named Jack. His days were spent tending to the flock of sheep entrusted to him by the villagers. To amuse himself, Jack concocted a plan to play a prank on the villagers and add some excitement to his mundane job. One sunny day, while watching the sheep graze on the lush meadows, Jack decided to test his trickery. He let out a loud cry, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is attacking the sheep!" Hearing the alarming shout, the villagers rushed to aid the boy, bringing tools and weapons to fend off the vicious wolf. However, upon arriving at the scene, they found no wolf, only a laughing Jack. "It was a joke. I tricked you all." Jack chuckled, thoroughly entertained by his clever ruse. The villagers, irritated by the false alarm, returned to their homes, grumbling about the boy's antics. They cautioned Jack, warning him about the dangers of deceit and the importance of honesty. But the boy, undeterred by the villagers' warnings, found the prank exhilarating. A few days later, as the sheep grazed peacefully, Jack repeated his trickery. Once again, he cried out, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is back and attacking the flock." Hearing the familiar cry, the villagers were less hasty to respond. Some chose not to heed the call, doubting the boy's honesty after his previous prank. Others arrived hesitantly, but once again found no wolf. Frustrated and disappointed, the villagers left, this time with their patience wearing thin. Jack continued this deceitful game, repeatedly shouting for help, only to laugh as the villagers rushed to his aid, only to find no wolf. With each false alarm, the villagers' trust in the boy eroded. However, one fateful day, a genuine danger approached the meadow, a fierce wolf, its eyes glinting with hunger, stealthily lurking towards the flock of sheep. Jack panicked, realizing the grave predicament. He cried out for help, "Wolf! Wolf! A real wolf is attacking the sheep." No one came to his aid. The villagers, tired of the false alarms, dismissed Jack's cries, assuming it was yet another trick. They refused to fall for his deceit again. As the ferocious wolf lunged at the defenseless flock, Jack's pleas grew desperate, but the villagers remained unmoved, ignoring his cries for help. The wolf attacked, causing chaos among the sheep. Jack, overwhelmed by the havoc he had caused, realized the consequences of his dishonesty. He watched helplessly as the wolf scattered the flock. In the aftermath, Jack acknowledged his mistake. His deceitful games had cost him the trust of the villagers and the safety of the sheep. He learned a hard lesson about the repercussions of dishonesty and the importance of truthfulness. From that day forward, Jack endeavored to be truthful, understanding the grave consequences of his actions and vowing never to deceive anyone again. His unfortunate mistake became a cautionary tale for generations about the perils of falsehood and the value of honesty. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.